This is the live hunting of the deer throughout the forest. You know, chasing the deer in and out with your bare hands. This is culture. I tell you, I know that some of you may be wondering, like, how did they do it? Before we go and check the video of this beautiful culture of the people of the central region, the Fanti from Winneba, let me remind you that you can watch me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and also you can listen to me on Audio Mac as well. If you are watching me here on YouTube, do not forget to subscribe to this channel for all the quality content. Biggest credit goes to Cooking with Sadako. Cooking with Sadako. Biggest credit goes to him. And also my second credit goes to Henry's Media. Through Henry's Media, an explanation was added to this video that we are going to watch. Here this video, you hear the beautiful culture of the people of Winneba. Their live hunt with the bare hands throughout the Amazon. I tell you. One portion of the video we couldn't capture was a koyamofa so muchi deer. No, yeah, that part we couldn't have a video of it. But anamo was so much and kamomo modinam koyamu part no mkochi deer and it wasn't captured. But the warriors coming with a deer, how were they able to use their bare hands to capture a deer alive?
One Aboagyiri, we did the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media, no style of blogging, fantastic. So you see commentary, news in the bar. So you see commentary for home, so good. Keep on going.
Can one modern? Can one will try pa? Cheche. Yeah. So I said something earlier that when those people that we can't video.
So they are the priests and the priestesses.
Okay.
They come like a week before.
Okay.
Just to do stuff.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
To make sure also that the place is safe for us.
Okay.
So when you come, you let any snake, scorpion, any animal that.
How human? Okay. Okay.
Rabbits, cascaters, and
Okay. So meaning that week that is spent over here, they've done all the incantation and everything for them to go.
The festival also stays for like some days.
To call them back.
To make sure everybody's
Okay. Okay.
before they release the animals.
Okay. 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 But do people get lost in here sometimes?
Some people can get lost, some get drunk. And this forest, some are huge, some are big.
Okay.
Some get tired.
Okay, this is the tone that you were talking about. So that's the tone. So this is the kind of bush that they hunt in. Okay, this is the kind of.
Surprisingly, you may get hit, you may get some scratches.
Okay.
To get a deep cut.
Never. Okay.
I'll take it to the hospital.
Never. Okay. Manual stops.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get some deep cuts here.
So this is Harry's Media 24 on YouTube, and for Shizzle and this record. So when we are in the bush, so we are close to the mountain. We've walked all from Winneba to this place. We've crossed 4 lagoons or Mankwade Mountain. Okay, we've crossed 4 lagoons or rivers to this point. So all these people are just standing by.
Hey, man, cross one, sir. Man, cross one, sir. You want, sir? Yeah.
Crossing also. Cross your hands. Okay.
Your hands, your legs. So
Okay.
this way.
Okay. It's like a blockade kind of stuff. Okay. Okay. In the search. Okay.
So when the Asantehene sees you, those with the canes,
They'll hit you.
exactly, they come after you.
Okay.
They are making their way difficult.
Okay.
You understand?
Makes sense.
That's how it is.
So basically we are in the bush. You might not see it to be the bush, but this is the typical forest bush that you can easily get lost. Okay, that's why they say that when you are far, you might think that all the trees are gathered together. But once you enter, you have them in portions. Okay. 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 The festival, exactly. The festival can go on again. Yeah. The spirit of our forefathers. Exactly. So all these folks, they are eating. I'll come with one. So these guys are waiting. What are they? Ha, Papa, eat well. I confirm now. I go qua, Papa. I'll come here, yo. I'll come here, yo. So this guy is over here. They are waiting. They can't make it no more.
Actually hiding and running away. But when the time comes, they go about to call all of them.
Okay.
Some will still
Okay.
they will enter into the bushes just to avoid being called.
Echo. So yeah, I know him. Yeah, I know him. So this is where it's a point on any.
So
Okay.
they are going to, you see, they've gathered there.
Yeah.
They'll make a decision whether to
Start from there.
first one,
Okay.
and then the second one.
Over there. Okay, that's the largest one. They try this one over here.
They are not successful.
So they'll surround around this.
They divide into themselves into two groups.
Okay.
One would go at the front
Okay.
and start making the noise.
Okay.
So to teach the animals
Out.
and then the other group would have to sit or bend down low
Okay.
and wait for the deer to come out.
Okay.
So they can catch it.
Okay.
So mostly the deer will just
Run out. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
If you also stand there, when the deer comes out and sees the crowd,
Go back.
sometimes
Go back. Okay.
so it is advised that you squat.
Okay. So that okay. Interesting. But for Shiza Maniza, we have the deer, the live deer. Aboakyer. Watch out, Asantehene. Watch out, Asantehene. Why should we be angry? No, why confused? I don't know.
So whenever you see the Union Jack flag,
Yeah.
it means that we've gotten there.
Okay.
Yeah, it's one of the significant.
Why the British flag?
British flag.
Oh, okay. So that's the live animal. Live there. Can see. The live animal, the live deer, Aboakyer. This was make this festival unique among all the festivals we have in Ghana. The uniqueness of this festival is unbeatable. No festival can compare to this one, Aboakyer. Hunting for deer and live animal. So those who just joined, let me show. Are you? So those who just joined, let me show you the live animal. We have the live catch deer over here. So those who just joined, look at the animal.
Ghana, there were a lot of beautiful cultures, especially when you go to the Volta region. You know, the Asantes have a lot of beautiful cultures, but there were a lot of cultures also in Ghana. I think that your culture being able to me a cabo. I'm sure say you were shocked. About who dear they said that we a pure game. We a pure where certain kind of festival timid unity. As I came in I won't be. Just said they know within them room will be the more did not say born come yeah, Charlie, who did in your name, a abuaba a deer and the question. Subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe if you have to be the first person that they be the video need to answer the channel. I don't say about man to know what you see all no. I'm going to share this video. Share this video now we have been seeing you here. It can't. We know it didn't cry.
We are Kenny. I'm the no one in Medada. No one come to a bit. Moon here me pa. Sana be a sure so said who be here once. ASM Tia will be pet. It's my Maria America crabby. The kind. Better will be asked. I was so a kindled Ghana move. I was so me move. Especially on a TikTok. I mean, I don't want kasa on one or don't tea. Then I'm over 100,000. That is 10% of 1 million people. Even if you say Gusompo and a follow ye and omudi echi e TikTok. Sa wo do yanso na mo yi kire me e Facebook. And the me pese mu hunu ni. Aresrede e ho wonfa so. Ene say, afei na maybe a YouTube account e monopa. The content e wo mu kura ndru ba bia. Afei na de ba. There are a lot of beautiful packages I dey break Ghana for. Wa mo ni media mo ni say de misi e medwuma. Enu nti nsi me form. Mo ni gi video bia me de bebe bia ho. Enu nti mesre wade ba ko pese. Ye ti abusua foforo wa hai. E YouTube hai. Ma remfi say. Be subscribe channel we ama me. When you say the Messiah Meduma, video ne sofoma, Obi any Jehon. We are able to inquire for in YouTube Hentino. Channel ya bofra, Afina Woody. Messer will say, the coming when you had the Anenson Kahon, said the Mabua Ama and the TikTok. You win Padobe almost 10% of over 1 million people they follow your TikTok. Amanam Sasso, A be Cheremy, away Facebook. Who subscribe channel with so mommy. Him whom the here say, who subscribe you? I'm my reference, I don't mind that subscription in channel. But the ones have a bosso. No what you so all. When you said details and then the credit in Africa near the Abramo. It be so ha. YouTube hey. Say that be our baby kind. Now on Saka video be able to be enti. Let's ask you say. Subscribe here. Am I real free say? But on Saba boy don't mind that subscription in channel. No what you so all no. You never see we. Brother be come when you way so. And can ya dada no. Within the can. The cultural content I dey be good YouTube ha. I'm not dancing the money dada no. Afei na afei bebe radio mu odro no. You sure? So when you say me dey meye. Ma ko hwe no kura no. Efe Tiffany apuwe ni anafo. Abro. Odo am wo ma wonti. Mo nua ken ni. Subscribe. Sponsor board domans. Choose you all. Afei share video yi. E mani padodo bebre. Na won so nya bi hwe. Ni mu say manu asi. We dey can subscribe rather da. E dey won sa board domans so. E choose you all no. We dey the ken. No we dey cry. E be say share on our next video.
Ken1 Aboagyiri we dey the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media, no style of blogging, fantastic. So you see commentary, no news in the bar. So you see commentary for home, so good. Keep on going.
And the Ostar also the Ebema other tribe a flow. Uni sorted India terminate. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know say I'll commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And we maybe a local strength free debate. It's all good. Oh yeah, dear. Ken1 modern. Ken1 will try pa.
Ken1 Aboagyiri we dey the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media, no style of blogging, fantastic. So you see commentary, no news in the bar. So you see commentary for home, so good. Keep on going.
And the Ostar also the Ebema other tribe a flow. Uni sorted India terminate. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know say I'll commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And we maybe a local strength free debate. It's all good. Oh yeah, dear. Ken1 modern. Ken1 will try pa.